Right, hello everyone. Welcome to a trade of the day for the 26th of March. My name's Tom. I'm coming to you from the Trendsignal headquarters in the Cranfield Innovation Centre Technology Park. We're going to be looking through a couple of trades that developed recently on our Accelerator strategy. The Accelerator is part of D1. You might also know of it as the Sniper strategy. The idea is getting into the markets on a faster basis, not waiting 3 to 5 days for a trade to present itself and then close. Instead, rapidly moving our money between different accounts to maximize the efficiency of the money that we've got sitting in our account. There's a couple of trades that we called yesterday in the live session. We do 2 of them a week. I'll talk a little bit more about them at the end. And I just want to go through them quickly, talk about the opportunity presented, but more importantly, talk about just how quickly these trades end up hitting their targets once we spot them. So the first market we're looking at, we're on a daily time frame. We're on the euro versus the Australian dollar. And we're looking at this sell position here. Now, we've just come out of a buy trade in line with the weekly trend and the monthly trend and the intermediate trend. This was about a 2% winner, just a little bit less than 2%. It's about a 1-to-1 between these, and we use a 2% risk. What I want to focus on today is this trade that literally just closed out earlier this morning. This is a trade that lasted the best part of a day. The target condition is based on our starter target and our aggressive stop. We're looking at about a 97 pip stop with a 50 pip take profit. Now, for some traders, going less than a 1-to-1 seems like a bit of an anathema. But the point of these is to generate high probability trades because we do not want to sit in these markets for a long time. We want to read the market, take our pips and exit to the next opportunity. As I say, in this case, it's about a 0.5 to 1 trade. With the reward to risk, which means because we're using a 2% risk as default, as you can see in the top left on our TradeMate tool here, which calculates the stop sizes for you, we took about a 1% profit on this opportunity. This is a trade that you would have placed at 10 o'clock last night. So you wake up in the morning, you've already made 1% profit, ready to cycle into the trades as they generate throughout the rest of the day. It's not the only opportunity though. We also had a good move on the Australian Swiss. So we've had quite a lot of good moves in this actually. It's been quite volatile recently. If we look down here, now we do need to apply a little bit of special consideration. We're looking at a 30 pip target. However, we're only looking at an 8 pip stop. Now, an 8 pip stop probably doesn't surprise you. It's very close. We want to give ourselves a little bit more room to breathe. The way that we do this is we introduce multiple stop types. So you have 8 pips, 27.5 on the semi-aggressive, and 27.5 on the passive. Basically just go up these stops to be more and more loose until we hit a level that we're happy with. Now, normally this would be 3 different values. For whatever reason, the system is detecting that there's not much point in going beyond the 27.5. So we use a 27.5 semi-aggressive stop loss. We also go for the 30 pip starter target, and the exact same thing has happened. We entered the trade at 10 o'clock and we've exited a little bit earlier this morning. The market is continuing to rally. Some of our more advanced traders may look to push this a little bit further, maybe look for an extended target based on the setup generated on the charts. If you want to find out a little bit more about how we place these trades, how we take them, and more importantly, how we run them beyond the initial starter limits, we do a couple of webinars looking at this on a weekly basis. We do 2 at the moment for Trendsignal Plus. We do a Tuesday 7 p.m. and Thursday 12:30. What we do 20 minutes of introduction. We do 40 minutes worth of live trading. The idea is by the end of that session, you'll know completely how our system works and you should be able to replicate our results for yourself. My name's Tom. Hopefully we'll see you in a session soon. There should be a link somewhere on this page to click through. And yeah, hopefully that was useful.
Want to learn how to find profitable trades like this? Register for our free trading webinar and discover the strategies that turn you into a confident trader. Prefer a more hands-on approach? Schedule a one-to-one walkthrough with a senior trader. See our software in action and get those questions answered, and take control of your trading journey.